A good diet is good for our health, self-esteem, weight, and it is also a source of many nutrients. But a good diet can't always guarantee the necessary nutrients to make your hair beautiful and healthy. Because of that, dull hair, hair loss, dryness, and weak hair are complaints that most men and women have today. So, in today's video, we will teach you 4 natural hair masks to moisturize, strengthen, give volume, restore, and help with hair growth. With a few natural ingredients, you can make your natural hair mask. Learn how. Hydrating aloe vera is recommended for anyone who dreams of a shiny and super hydrated hair. When combined with carrots, it also helps to balance the pH of the scalp and clean the hair follicles. Strengthening. The main ingredient of this mask is avocado. This fruit contains vitamins B and E, which work at cellular level to strengthen and stimulate hair growth. This mask is good against oiliness, besides protecting the hair against the damage caused by brushing and chemical products. Volumizing. Do you suffer from hair loss? Olive oil is perfect for those people who have this issue. This recipe will promote healthy growth and also give volume to your hair. Growing egg yolk and yogurt are the ingredients of this recipe. Do you know why? Egg yolk helps stimulate hair growth while contributing to a more structured hair. Yogurt helps to seal and nourish the hair, and also contributes to clean the scalp and prevent dandruff. So, did you like these recipes? They are very simple and easy to make, aren't they? Try them if you suffer from any of these issues and see the results. When you do it, don't forget to share with us your experiences in the comments.